Question number 1.
Choose the correct sentence. A. She go to school. B. She goes to school. C. She gone to school.
Question number 2.
He dash playing football right now. A. Is B. Are C. Am.
Question number 3.
I dash my homework yesterday. A. Finish. B. Finished. C. Finishing.
Question number 4.
They dash watching a movie. A. Is B. Are C. Am.
Question number 5.
She has been working here 2015. A. For B. Since. C. From.
Question number 6.
Choose the correct sentence. A. I has a car. B. I have a car. C. I haves a car.
Question number 7.
The boy dash eating a sandwich. A. Are B. Is C. B.
Question number 8.
We dashed to the zoo last Sunday. A. Goes. B. Went. C. Going.
Question number 9.
I usually get up 7 o'clock. A. At B. On. C. Ing.
Question number 10.
She speaks English very dash. A. Good. B. Well. C. Best.
Question number 11.
Choose the correct article. I saw elephant at the zoo. A. B. And C. The.
Question number 12.
My friends playing cricket. A. Is B. Are C. Am.
Question number 13.
He live in this house. A. Don't. B. Doesn't. C. Didn't.
Question number 14.
I never seen a lion before. A. Has. B. Have. C. Had.
Question number 15.
They go to school by bus. A. Always. B. Never. C. Both are correct.
Question number 16.
There a lot of people at the event. A. Was. B. Were. C. Is.
Question number 17.
You ever been to Dubai? A. Have. B. Did. C. Has.
Question number 18.
I was born July. A, in B, on C, at.
Question number 19.
He hasn't come to school last week. A, since. B, for. C, from.
Question number 20.
Choose the correct sentence. A, the children is playing. B, the children are playing. C, the children am playing.
Question number 21.
I dash to the gym every day. A, go. B, goes. C, gone.
Question number 22.
They were tired working all day. A, of. B, from. C, at.
Question number 23.
My mother cooking dinner. A, R. B, is. C, B.
Question number 24.
The cat is hiding the bed. A, at. B, on. C, under.
Question number 25.
He not understand the question. A, do. B, does. C, did.
Question number 26.
We already finished the work. A, have. B, has. C, had.
Question number 27.
They will arrive Monday. A, on. B, in. C, at.
Question number 28.
She is honest woman. A, B, and C, the.
Question number 29.
I studying English for 2 years. A, has been. B, have been. C, had been.
Question number 30.
Choose the correct sentence. A, he don't likes coffee. B, he doesn't like coffee. C, he doesn't likes coffee.
Question number 31.
The birds flying in the sky. A, is. B, are. C, am.
Question number 32.
We going to the mall this evening. A, is. B, are. C, am.
Question number 33.
I like to play football. A, am. B, do. C, does.
Question number 34.
My brother and I playing chess. A, is. B, are. C, am.
Question number 35.
she dash going to be a doctor. A is B, R, C, am.
Question number 36.
There dash no milk in the fridge. A is B, R, C, B.
Question number 37.
The students dash listening carefully. A is B, R, C, am.
Question number 38.
It dash raining heavily. A is B, R, C, am.
Question number 39.
The train dash at 10 a.m. every day. A, leave. B, leaves. C, leaving.
Question number 40.
She usually dash coffee in the morning. A, drink. B, drinks. C, drank.
Question number 41.
He dash been sick for a week. A, has. B, have. C, had.
Question number 42.
My father dashed to work by car. A, go. B, goes. C, gone.
Question number 43.
They dashed to the park last night. A, go. B, went. C, going.
Question number 44.
We dash not seen her since May. A, have. B, has. C, had.
Question number 45.
I will call you dash I reach. A, until. B, when. C, after.
Question number 46.
Dash she ever flown in a plane? A, has. B, have. C, did.
Question number 47.
Choose the correct sentence. A, he go to the market every day. B, he goes to the market every day. C, he going to the market every day.
Question number 48.
We dash not understand the topic. A, do. B, does. C, did.
Question number 49.
I like tea dash coffee. A, and B, but C, more than.
Question number 50.
He was tired dash he worked all day. A, so. B, because. C, but.
How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Share this quiz with your friends' family. Let them test their English skills too. Like, share, subscribe for more quiz.